Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a thought record in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Write here Canva and search it to Google. Like you can add your regular thoughts in here. So let's after completing your login, you can see here a search bar. Just click and write thought record. Press enter. After pressing enter, you will find many thought records templates. Okay, so if you like this one and if you want to customize this one, you can add here, or you can, if you like this one, you just click here and go customize this template. Here's your template is ready to be customized. Now you can edit every portion you want. I'm gonna show you how. So if you want to make it zoom, just click on a space and control plus up scroll. It will zoom like this. Now you can see here the name. Just double click and write the name. You can see here the year. Just double click and write the year 2023. Here's the date. You can write here the date. You can add teacher's name. You can add here the teacher's name. Okay, so a peek inside my brain. Draw your face and reveal your thoughts. You can draw your face here, or you can add your picture here. I'm going to show you how. Go here, elements, and you can see here frame. Just write here frame and add and click this frame. Drag this here, and you can add your picture here. Like what? Going upload a file from computer. After uploading, it will be here like this. Then you have to click and you can drag it here. Okay, so you can do this or not, that's up to you. I'm just showing you the basic tutorial. A peek inside my head. In case the clouds, write down all the thoughts and feelings that are having. You can write here the having thoughts in your mind right now in the cloud. Okay, so it's not editable, but it can be written here. Going here text, you can see here add a little body text, and you have to drag it here. You can make it small, and you have to double click and click backspace. It will remove. Then you can write here your thoughts, like I wish to build a hut in a beside a forest. Okay, you can write here. Here's the second thought. You can add here, going same. Just drag it and just write I want to buy a good pen. You can write anything, that's up to you. Write here the thoughts. Just peek and make it small and drag it to your cloud, and double click and backspace and write your thoughts. Okay, that's so simple. You can change the font color. Just going here and you can see here color, and you can make it any color you want, that's up to you. Okay, so if you don't like this template, if you want to try another template, go here and you'll find many templates. Here's the one, thought record. If you want to customize this template, just click and customize this like before. Thought record, a cognitive behavioral strategy to capture and identify automatic negative thoughts. Okay, what's your negative thoughts? You can add here. Or if you want to make it positive, you can write here positive thoughts. Positive. Okay, so simple. Like what happened? If you want to add here the answer and write like I always think of suicide. You can write here, you can see positive, but if you wish to like positive, then you can write I always think of eating food or anything, that's up to you. And negative, and you can add it negative here. Feelings, what did make me feel, what did it make me feel. You can add like it make me feel like, it makes me feels like I'm bored always. Okay, what was I telling when my event was happening. So you can just double click, double space, shift plus enter, double enter, and answer, and you can write your answer here. So simple. So if you like to color your text or color the question, just go here and color it. Any color you can choose. That's here. I'm choosing red. So you can change the background color, which is white. You can make it another color by going here, and you can choose blue. You can make it pinkish. You can make it orange. That's up to you. So after completing work, how you can download it? Go here, share. You can find here collaboration link. Sorry, download. Click on download, and you have to click the download button here. So after completing download, how you can send this work direct via mail to, just going here, share, and you can see here collaboration link. Click on this and make it anyone with the link, and you have to write here in the box the email address whom you want to share with. Sorry, @gmail.com. Now if you click on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make a thought record in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.